The Zambia Wildlife Authority, ZAWA, in partnership with the Nature Conservancy, TNC, has commenced an aerial survey to determine the elephant population in Kafue National Park. TNC Africa Aerial Survey Program Manager Dora Kamweneshe has told ZNBC News that the survey, which has commenced in the Kafue National Park, will be undertaken in 3 other sites. Pennifer Nyirenda has more in this report.
Wildlife Park. It has a variety of animal species that attract tourist visits year in, year out. However, some of the species in the park are vulnerable to illegal hunting. Owing to the importance of this park to Zambia's wildlife management, the authority in charge, ZAWA, has partnered with the Nature Conservancy to ensure that one of the most sought-after animals, the elephant, is well accounted for.
It will take approximately a month to complete. It benefits the country in that the information that we get from the survey helps in informing decision-making for tourism. The Zambia Wildlife Authority uses this information to help in management of wildlife.
The Nature Conservancy Africa Aerial Survey Program Manager, Dora Kamweneshe, gave an outline of the survey funding.
Total aerial survey is going to cost $343,000 US. I should mention that all this funding is coming from the Vulcan Foundation of USA, which has partnered with TNC and also has partnered with ZAWA to conduct the aerial survey. So the bulk of this funding basically goes to Kafue National Park and the surrounding ecosystems because of the expanse of the area.
U.S. Ambassador to Zambia Eric Schultz, who joined in an aerial tour of the Kafue National Park on Tuesday, is pleased that Americans are funding the survey to determine the elephant population in countries that include Zambia.
Let me start off also by just saying how much I appreciate ZAWA and the Nature Conservancy for inviting me along on this aerial survey. The ZAWA officers are the ones who are actually conducting the survey. They're the ones who are doing the counting. But the logistics are being handled by the Nature Conservancy, and that's via a grant from Paul Allen, who is actually probably richer than the American government in some respects. You know, I guess it's great that Americans care so much about the environment now, and that an individual like Paul Allen sees fit to underwrite the costs of something like the African Elephant Initiative.
Mr. Schultz also pledged to continue supporting responsible hunting being conducted in Zambia.
Well, maybe not the most important thing, but the place you have to start from is you need an accurate estimate of the numbers of wildlife that you have. You can't really manage the wildlife population properly unless you know how many you have. And if you know how many you have, then you know how many you can, for instance, allow to be hunted. So I think getting an accurate count is the most important thing.
The Kafue National Park is one of 4 sites that are being surveyed in Zambia to establish the elephant population. Other sites are the Lower Zambezi, Sioma and Ngwezi. Preliminary results for the survey are expected to be ready in 2 months. Pennifer Nyirenda, ZNBC News, Kafue National Park.